Today, we step into a world of pure indulgence as we embark on a captivating stay at the magnificent Grand Hotel in Eastbourne, nestled alongside the breathtaking southeast coast. Prepare to be awestruck by the splendour of this luxurious sanctuary, often hailed as the crown jewel in Sussex's hospitality, referred to as a palace by the sea. This haven of extravagance offers a 5-star escape. However, true luxury seldom comes without a price. As we embark on this escapade, I invite you to show your support by smashing that like button. Your contribution will ensure that I continue to bring you more captivating videos unveiling hidden gems of opulence and enriching experiences. So, my fellow adventurers, join me as we unlock the doors of the Grand Hotel, the Palace by the Sea. As I arrived at the Grand Hotel today, a sense of excitement filled the air as I anticipated the lavish experiences that awaited me. Having taken the car for this memorable journey, I had hoped to take advantage of the complimentary parking offered with every stay. The hotel boasts its own exclusive car park capable of accommodating up to 65 vehicles, ensuring convenience and peace of mind for its esteemed guests. However, as fate would have it, the parking gods seem to have a different plan in store for me. Despite being assured of a relatively calm day with ample parking, my arrival was met with a surprising turn of events. Regrettably, not a single parking space was available, leaving me with a dilemma. Undeterred, I swiftly devised an alternative plan and navigated towards the quaint side roads nestled discreetly behind the hotel, seeking refuge for my vehicle there. The hotel check-in begins at 4 p.m. and upon arrival you're warmly welcomed by 2 exceptional receptionists who are dedicated to ensuring your utmost satisfaction. They efficiently handle your check-in process and go above and beyond to assist you. In addition to booking your dinner and breakfast reservations, they offer valuable insights to the hotel amenities and their respective locations. They even inquire about your preference for a turn-down service, displaying their commitment to making your stay truly remarkable. With the check-in formalities completed, it is now time to embark on a journey to our abode for the evening. Join me as we ascend the pinnacle of the hotel, where an exquisite deluxe room awaits, nestled on the top floor. Upon entering room 303, I was immediately captivated by its stunning bright ambience. The inviting atmosphere and tasteful decor perfectly embody the essence of the Grand Hotel experience. As we explore the room together, let's delve into its enticing features. Attention is drawn to the pair of plush patterned chairs, seamlessly complementing the room's colour scheme and adding to the overall aesthetic of the space. Positioned near the spacious writing desk, which provides ample room for work or laptop use, one of the chairs is thoughtfully placed, doubling as a convenient spot for getting ready for an evening out, thanks to the accompanying mirror. To my pleasant surprise, the room differed slightly from the photos I had seen. Upon further investigation, I discovered that we had been graciously upgraded to a superior room without incurring additional charges. In the heart of the room, a generously sized TV takes centre stage, positioned above the tea and coffee station. This area offers a range of entertainment options, including a selection of movies and TV shows for your enjoyment. The well-maintained coffee setup features a pristine coffee machine and kettle, accompanied by a variety of pods. The cabinet below conveniently houses a mini fridge where 2 refreshing complimentary bottles of water await. Ample power outlets including USB capabilities ensure your devices stay charged throughout your stay. For your comfort, a heater and air conditioning unit are discreetly located beneath the window, providing customizable climate control. As a superior room, the view from this particular space is inward facing, showcasing a unique perspective. Unfortunately, instead of a sea view, the focal point is a set of bars that have borne witness to the elements over the years. I guess this gives it some character. It also serves as a perch for local seagulls who have claimed this as their home, adding to a touch of coastal charm to the surroundings. The room features a spacious, inviting king-size bed accompanied by generously sized pillows. While it appears comfortable, I will provide feedback on my sleep experience in the morning. For any room related needs, a dated yet functional phone rests on the bedside table, allowing you to contact reception at any time. Additionally, this phone serves as a convenient tool for ordering in room service, which I'll delve into further later in this video. Numerous storage options are available throughout the room, including a large wardrobe where you can stow your luggage and hang your garments. The room also provides amenities such as dressing gown, a safe, slippers and a hairdryer. However, please note an ironing board are not available in this room. As an added touch, extra duvet covers are provided for colder seasons, although a pleasant spring weather makes this unnecessary today. While the hotel touts this room's ensuite bathroom as luxurious, it's nearly time for dinner, so I quickly change into my smart casual attire before making my way to the Garden restaurant, known for its more relaxed ambience compared to the other dining option, the Mirabelle restaurant. Although there isn't a strict dress code, the hotel suggests that most guests opt for a smart or formal attire. Interestingly, both restaurants offer a similar menu. The Garden restaurant, situated in the Grand Hall opposite the cocktail bar and lounge, exudes opulence. However, as I hadn't reviewed the menu beforehand, I was slightly disappointed to discover the limited options available. This prompted me to contemplate whether I should have chosen the convenience of room service, which boasted a broader selection and a more affordable price. After a brief period of indecision, I ultimately decided to leave the restaurant and retreat to my room to order room service instead. I decided to indulge in the Grand Hotel Club sandwich, accompanied by a side of chips. The room service promptly delivered the order, and I was pleasantly surprised by the generous portion size. Comparatively, the dishes I observed in the Garden restaurant were noticeably smaller and priced twice as much. The club sandwich turned out to be a delightful choice and thoroughly enjoyed it. Later in the video I will share my breakfast experience, which also took place in the Garden restaurant, offering an interesting comparison to the previous dining encounter. Let's conclude our room tour by exploring the ensuite bathroom, or as I call it, the shower room, because there is no bathtub. The room itself is delightful, featuring bright and pristine ambience. Complimentary molten brown toiletries await, including soap and hand cream by the wash basin, and shower gel, shampoo and conditioner in the shower. However, it is worth noting the noise from the extractor fan is quite overpowering. If, like me, you need to use the toilet in the night, it can be challenging to ignore the loud hum of the fan, accompanied by the playful sounds of the seagulls outside the window. Although the heated towel rack adds a nice touch, unfortunately it wasn't functional. On the other hand, the shower delivers a fantastic water pressure, and adjusting the temperature is a breeze. After some editing work, I treat myself to a beer from the cocktail bar before calling it an early night to ensure I'm well rested for breakfast and have time to enjoy the hotel's other amenities, such as the outdoor heated pool and indoor gym.
8 hours later.
Morning arrives and my sleep was decent, although the bed felt slightly sloped, making the large pillows essential. It's now 8:30 AM and I return to the Garden restaurant. The breakfast spread includes a buffet of cold meats, pastries, cereals, along with the standard options for fruit juices, fruits and yogurts. The tentative waitress brings coffee or tea and offers a selection of toast. From the menu, I opt for the traditional breakfast, which includes bacon, sausage, tomato, eggs, cooked to your preference, a small hash brown, black pudding, beans and mushrooms. The sausage is delightful, but the bacon and tomato are undercooked. The rest of the items are satisfactory. Overall, the breakfast experience falls short of the previous 5-star hotel experiences I've had, although the coffee is enjoyable and the breakfast is included in the hotel stay cost. With a satisfied stomach, it's time to burn some calories in the outdoor heated pool. You can head down from your room in your dressing gown and swimwear, but please note that it's a considerable walk from the hotel to reach the health suite area if you stay on the 3rd floor. Alternatively, you can utilise their convenient changing room facilities. The friendly staff at the health suite reception provided complimentary towels and informed me the outdoor pool is currently maintained at a comfortable 30 degrees Celsius. However, given the chilly spring morning with an outside temperature of only 13 degrees Celsius, it is clear I'll be definitely appreciating the complimentary towel and dressing gown upon exiting the pool. The pool was enjoyable, although I had to watch out for a few slugs and snails. It was well maintained and cleaned, and I can imagine it being popular on a warmer day. However, as you can see from the empty sunbeds, I was the only one using it this morning. The hotel also has an indoor pool, jacuzzi and gym, which were quite busy with guests. I decided not to film those areas. As checkout time approaches, which is 11 AM, it's time to say goodbye to our room and hotel. Overall, I found the room and ensuite shower room delightful despite the noisy extractor fan and the view of the bars outside the window. The deluxe room I booked for one night cost £209, but I was pleasantly upgraded to the superior room, which typically costs around £260 per night. It's important to know that the price seems to reflect the hotel's facilities and service rather than the room itself. Throughout my stay, I didn't quite experience the true ambience of a 5-star hotel or a palace by the sea.
So what did you think of this hotel from what you've seen today, or perhaps you stayed here before? Let me know what your experience was like. As always, it's great to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye for now.